In this video, I'll show you how to improve your English pronunciation, particularly to pronounce sentences or phrases, most common phrases that are used in English. So let's go to the language practicing platform, USpeak.com, and there is a few options and a few practice exercises. We use top phrases. In this case, you see a list of most common phrases that are used in English, and you can practice it. Let's try the first one. Try this one.
I really like it here.
So we can click practice button, and it would lead us to the phrase practicing sections, this one, and you can start. Let's listen the phrase first.
I really like it here.
You can listen it in different ways.
I really like it here.
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 If it's too fast for you and you are a beginner, you can slow down the speed, and you can make it faster. For instance, this is for beginner, and this is faster speech for more advanced learners.
I really like it here.
I really like it here.
I really like it here.
And let's try. I really like it here. When you click start speaking button, you see the list of words, and when you speak, the words that are that was speaken correctly become green. In this case, all phrase was spoken right, and it's in green. You can listen. What did you speak? I really like it here. When you let's try again. I really like it here. You have a countdown, so it's stop listening in the calculated number of seconds, but you can stop at any time and try again. Let's do it again. I really like it here. So when you stop, when you finish speaking, you click the button stop and then go back to the initial interface. This voice choice depends on your computer. So it might be 1, 2, or maybe 5, 7, even 12 voices, and you can select its. This interface is linked to your speaking system of the computer voice system, and it will give you any voice that you set. Let's try a different, more complicated phrase. We have 3 pages, and I click on the third page, and I'll try this one.
I like these shoes better than the other ones you showed me.
So we go to phrase practicing again and start speaking again. I like these shoes better than the other one you show me. In this case, I didn't pronounce two words correctly once and showed. And I can practice it this word at this section.
Showed. Showed.
Showed. Showed. Showed. It didn't work. I couldn't speak it correctly. Let's try again. Showed. Showed. Show. This button can repeat your voice and you can listen yourself. So let's do again with correct pronunciation.
Showed. Showed.
Showed. Showed. Showed. It didn't work, so I was not able to pronounce it. I'll try to pronounce it in a little short phrase.
Showed.
You showed me. This time I was correct. I'll try this word once.
Once.
Once. Once. Once. Let's listen. What did I do? Once. 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 Now I try to do it in a phrase. Once again. Doesn't work. Probably I'll try it to do another time. Top phrases again. Page 3. I'll try this one.
This ice cream place is great for families with kids.
This ice cream place is great for families and kids. With. I didn't say with. I'll try again. This ice cream place is great for families and kids. Again, I had problem with with. This time it worked. I'd like to try
Families.
families. So I can clear and put another phrase, but it's for another topic. For now, we just practicing top phrases. Let's take more complicated one to see.
Why won't you let him know how you feel?
I'll try another one.
This ice cream place is great for families with kids. I hope the government does something about the poverty in this country. What will happen if you don't submit your report on time?
Let's try this one. What will happen if you don't submit your report on time? Yeah, this says that I spoke everything correctly. And if you have a hard time with some word, you can click on word and it will lead it to the word section for practicing word, this one. And I have another YouTube channel video that explain how to practice word, because this is interesting section that give you more detail about the word, its phonetic and its samples. If you wanna see how you can practice it, go to my YouTube channel and see it.